desktop, neat and right. E is for email, flying fast. F is for folder, where files last. G is for games, fun to play. H is for hard disk, storing every day. I is for internet, world so wide. J is for joystick, move side to side. K is for keyboard, typing away. L is for laptop, like to carry every day. M is for mouse, click here and there. N is for network, computers everywhere. O is for on, off, start with the press. P is for printer, prints with no mess. Q is for pretty, the keys we use. R is for router, Wi-Fi we choose. S is for screen, bright and clear. T is for tablet, learning is near.